What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to another episode on our channel, where we dive deep into the world of technological wonders, comparing the cream of the crop to help you make the most informed decisions. Today, we've got a special one for you. We're exploring the vast, vibrant universe of digital art tablets. Whether you're an aspiring animator, a digital painter diving into manga, or a professional looking for that perfect tool to bring your visions to life, we've got you covered. So let's get into the nitty-gritty and find out which tablet might just become your new best friend. Best drawing tablets of 2024, the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. Kicking off with a newcomer that's been making waves, the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle is like the rookie of the year. Fresh, impressive, and giving the veterans a run for their money. This bundle doesn't just bring a tablet to the table, it brings an entire creative suite. With its spacious 262 by 147 mm drawing area and a lack of screen resolution because, well, it's not a display tablet, it focuses on what matters most, the drawing experience. And with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, your strokes will be as precise as a scalpel. It's missing UHD and built-in express keys, but the included Quick Keys remote compensates with 40 programmable buttons. All in all, it's the best bang for your buck in the animation tablet arena. The contender, Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Now, onto a heavyweight that needs no introduction. The Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch, powered by the M2 chip. This isn't just any tablet, it's a powerhouse. With an eye-watering 2732 x 2048 pixel liquid retina display and unmatched processing performance, it's the tablet that dreams are made of. But with great power comes great price tags. And let's not forget the additional cost for the Apple Pencil. Yet, for those who can swing it, the iPad Pro is not just a tablet, but a gateway to a universe of possibilities, boasting incredible compatibility with creative software like Procreate Dreams. It's a serious tool for serious artists. For the 3D Mavericks, Wacom Mobile Studio Pro 16. Wacom has been a trusted name in the digital art world for years, and the Mobile Studio Pro 16 is their love letter to 3D animators. With a UHD 3840 x 2160 resolution display, this tablet is a standalone powerhouse capable of running top-tier 3D and VFX software without breaking a sweat. Yes, it's on the heavier side, and its battery life could be better, but if you're delving into the depths of 3D animation, the Mobile Studio Pro 16 offers unmatched precision and power. Balancing act Wacom Cintiq 16. The Wacom Cintiq 16 shines as a prime example of finding the right balance between performance and affordability in digital drawing tools. It doesn't have the ultra-high definition of pricier models or built-in express keys, but it excels in delivering a top-notch drawing experience that many artists and animators seek. Its 1920 x 1080 resolution and Wacom Pro Pen 2 technology provide a responsive, intuitive canvas, offering precision and fluidity that mimic traditional drawing. This makes the Cintiq 16 a go-to for those prioritizing a seamless creative process without the hefty price tag, proving that high quality and affordability can indeed go hand in hand for digital artists. The dark horse, XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro is a remarkable tool for digital artists, boasting a 2K QHD display that shines when it comes to producing detailed work, particularly for genres like manga that demand precision. While its substantial size and the potential for screen glare might require some adjustment, these are minor concessions when weighed against the benefits. With its expansive 23.8-inch workspace, the Artist 24 Pro offers an immersive drawing experience, bringing professional-grade features within reach at a cost that significantly undercuts its high-end competitors. This model demonstrates the strides made in digital art technology, providing artists with exceptional value and performance. It's a clear choice for those prioritizing quality and workspace size, affirming the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro's position as a benchmark in the evolution of accessible, high-quality digital art tools. So there you have it, folks. From the sleek, budget-friendly Xencelabs bundle to the powerhouse performance of the iPad Pro and Wacom's offerings, down to the surprising value of the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. The choice ultimately comes down to what you value most in your creative journey. Whether it's the sheer performance, the balance of features and price, or the specific needs of your artistic endeavors, there's a tablet out there waiting to be your canvas. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and subscribe for more tech showdowns and reviews. Let us know in the comments which tablet caught your eye, or if there's another contender you think deserves a spot in the lineup. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay tech savvy.